In this lab, we will use VoceVista and the Glottal Enterprises EGG system to measure your closed quotient for low and high-pitched tones that you sing with and without vibrato. Even if you have VoceVista installed on your personal computer, you will need to complete this assignment in the voice lab under the supervision of the lab assistant. To begin, locate the EGG unit, place the electrodes on your neck on either side of the thyroid cartilage, and secure them with the elastic binding. Now turn on the EGG. Open VoceVista and verify that analysis configuration F5 is selected, which shows you a spectrogram, the EGG closed quotient history, the audio signal, and an EGG signal. Return to the main program and click Run or type the letter R to start your analysis. Look in the lower right window to verify that the program is receiving a strong, stable EGG signal. If you do not see a stable signal in this window, you will need to adjust the placement of the electrodes against your larynx until you do. The EGG unit in the lab is capable of reading a signal from the vast majority of people, but if you have a large neck with significant fat between your skin and your larynx, you might not be able to get a usable signal. Also, some women have a broad thyroid cartilage that prevents clean signal acquisition. So if you are unable to get a good signal after repeated attempts, with the help of the lab assistant, you will need to compile the measures on a friend or another class member. Once you are getting a good signal, restart the analysis and sing a tone at medium-low pitch using your normal vibrato. Hit the space bar to stop the analysis, and then click anywhere in the spectrogram window where there is sound. Go to the EGG window and look at the CL figure and verify that it is set to 35. If not, you'll need to use the up and down cursor arrows to adjust that to 35. This way we can ensure that everybody's readings are compatible with each other's. Now return to the spectrogram and click on another location and read the CQ reading. Here in my example it says 55. That means that my vocal folds are closed 55% of the time during that cycle. Note that measure, go back to the spectrogram, and repeat this procedure in 5 separate locations. Note all of those readings, average them together, and record the average. Now you're going to repeat this process using the same pitch, but now singing a tone without vibrato. You won't need to readjust the CL reading, but you do need now to take your CQ readings. And in my case, as you see in my different locations, it's staying at about 56 to 58, which means that at this low pitch, my CQ for my vibrato condition and my non-vibrato condition were really the same. Now we go up the octave. Take your 5 readings, note them, average them, and you can see mine now are a little bit lower. We're in the 40s and the 50s. Repeat it with the no vibrato condition. And you can immediately see that my closed quotient went up significantly when I sang without vibrato. So you're going to take the average again of 5 readings and record that. Somewhere along the line, make sure to save a graphic image of 2 analyses, one with and one without vibrato, that you can embed in your lab report. The final report must include a brief narrative of the procedures that you used in compiling the data, your average CQ measurements for the 2 pitches sung with and without vibrato, and those embedded images. The lab should only take you 10 to 20 minutes to complete. Good luck and have fun.